Today I'm going to show you how to clean the air or clean the fins on a fan in a HP 4530S laptop computer. To do this, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver and a can of compressed air. First, make sure the laptop is turned off. Flip it over and remove the battery by pressing the two battery tabs in until the battery comes up and it just flips out. Put that aside. At this point, you may need to take out a locking screw that is just right here on the center of the battery area. Use your Phillips screwdriver and reverse that screw out and put it aside. And now you can push the two tabs all the way in and the bottom cover should release. Just lift that off and set it aside. At this point, you're ready to start cleaning out the fan. What I like to do is blow the air in through the vent on the side, and that's in case there's any dust along the inside of the fins here, or cat hair or anything. It'll get blown out through the fan and you'll be able to get it out of there. When you're doing that, you should hold the fins steady so that they don't move. Otherwise, you could burn out the motor, just because the spinning motor will generate an electrical current. So you hold that steady and you spray a little air into the end. Nothing's coming out of this one, but a lot of times you'll see chunks of dust and stuff pop up in here, and then you can kind of pick them out. And then I like to go in and just make sure that the fins are all nice and clean. Alright, so now that it's clean, you can maybe give it a once over in case there's any dust anywhere else. We'll put it back together. Then just reverse that process. We put the base on, and there's a little tab right here that needs to go in this little square hole. Line it up, press it into place, it'll click. You can put your locking screw back in. If you didn't have to take your locking screw out, a lot of times it's right in this little screw hole right here. If you want to put it in to make sure that the bottom doesn't accidentally get taken off, you can take that screw out and put it right back into this locking position. Once the screw is in there, take your battery, line up the tabs on the back, press it into place, and you're done. That's how you clean out the fan on a HP 4530S. This will help if you're experiencing a lot of fan noise or if the fan's running constantly. A lot of times that dust is what the problem is. All right, thanks a lot.